mist on this?
Yeah, it should be.
I can't turn it. I don't know.
The top.
Oh, the top one. I was trying to turn it like that.
Yeah, no.
Oh, this one is hot. This one want to be cold. This plant do really good, guys. This one over here, it does really good. I love it right here. Just a little bit more. I'm trying not to get wet, you guys. Okay, you guys see this one? This one does that when it's thirsty. It have like this cute personality. Like, it's like a dog to tell you when they want to go outside. But it's like just kind of stand right back up. And then I have these two over here. This yellow one did this one did a lot better. I got some new bugs on it. I think they like this spot now. The first didn't like it. Then I start talking to it. I start speaking to it. And now it's doing a lot better. So these gonna finally get some buds. I'm hoping. And these are the tomatoes. We got some tomatoes. Let me just flip the camera. Okay. They're growing, they're growing. I like to wet all around the dirt too. They love it. And the bell peppers is getting bigger too. I think I planted the bell peppers a little bit. Oh my, I think my husband took care of it. Oh no. I planted it a little bit too close to the ground. But they're still growing. Doing good. Oh, that's good. I gotta start picking these weeds. Next time I come out here, I'm gonna pick weeds. Okay. Now look, they already starting to get up some. They are so funny. Okay, I'm gonna go around. Do I want to go around? No, I don't. Okay. The roses got a lot of blooms on them. Let me go water my stuff, girl. They thirsty. These flowers gonna soak up the water because the way the soil is, I didn't do too much around the soil. So, and I got these wood chips around them. But next year, I said I'm gonna get a rake and I put some fresh dirt. I'm gonna put some fresh mulch. They're really supposed to have like a little water sprinklers on them because they need a lot of water. Yep, next year. This year I just introduced myself to them. That's all. And probably with some, yeah, I see like they need new mulch. And I could put 2 flowers, one right here, one right there, in a vase over here too. Because we're doing our pool and our jacuzzi and stuff next year. So yeah. They're in the shade. They're not going to burn out. They were already here. when I moved in. Okay, the roses are watered. Now go back to my humble living corridors. Girl, I want somebody to care. I don't care about what y'all think. I know I don't. Whew. Angelic Singh looked very different. Angelic Singh looking real different. I'm wipe my feet off. Okay, we don't care, girl. We don't care about what you think is facts or what is facts. We live in our life today. That's what we're doing. And I'm gonna say, as we live in it, it's looking good. So yeah. Oh, this is how I know it was meant for us to have a baby. Cause this came with the house. This came with the house. This little thing that you can like pull out. You see it? Like a little gate, baby gate. Thought that was so cute. So my husband knew what he was doing when he brought this house. He said he brought it for his family. And he married me, so I'm the one that's pregnant. So I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. don't know why it's not letting me flip it. A nice cup of OJ is good for the summertime. Thank you, please. At the end of the day, that's how you stay in the spirit. I like to have those moments where I cam up other people's life and show you guys how you stay in spirit, how you can have fun, but still stay in spirit. You don't go all crazy and be, you don't do all that. So yeah, my husband out there cutting the grass, looking like a whole snake. There you go. There you go. Just fine. I'm hungry. I'm tired of chicken. I don't want no more chicken. What I'm gonna eat? Some chicken. Oh, what should I eat tonight? Some salmon croquettes. I want some salmon croquettes tonight with some rice. That sounds so good. I've been trying to eat like 3 meals a day, or at least 2 meals a day. It's hot. Where's the fan? Oh my God. You know, chocolate melts. So I have to stay free.
Yeah. I just cut it. I never had it.
What?
I know. You said salmon croquettes. Anything with salmon and I'll eat it. Alright, okay, back up.
I'm eating these tomatoes with some raisin bagels with some strawberry cream cheese and a turkey stick. That's what I'm eating. Thank you. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get some salt. Thank you. So you guys never like see me pregnant or see how I eat when I'm pregnant. So you guys get to see that. I'm not pregnant already. Girl, you know I'm fertile. I told my husband that I was fertile. You should have got a lot of seeds in them. Girl, how you gonna say somebody lying about being pregnant? I guess you would have to see in 4 months, 3 to 4 months, don't you? You can't hide a pregnancy. Yeah, I be chilling. Tomatoes, a bagel, there's a raisin, cinnamon raisin, and this is a turkey stick. It's good for protein. So yeah. My baby's ain't harder. If you didn't see my video last night when I was dancing, you can tell I gained weight. When I was doing that Tina Turner stuff. This is so good. So good and healthy. And it's fulfilling too. No, I didn't get my teeth tired. I don't believe in that. Oh, congratulations. This is my first pregnancy too. With my husband. This is my first baby with my husband. Thank you. I waited till the last ending so I could add my husband because I know y'all gonna be, wow, hugs. It'd be funny. But yes, it is the first baby that I have with my husband. Okay, got a husband and pregnant. You are, yeah, I'm gonna say something. It's about going now. About eating some tomatoes and bagels and a turkey stick. Like I said, you guys only met me when I didn't have my kids. you'll get to see how I eat when I'm pregnant, how I ate when I was pregnant with all my children. You guys never seen that. How much water I drink, orange juice, all the yogurt I'm gonna eat. My baby's gonna be healthy. She's gonna be chunky. I just be small when I'm pregnant, so 2 babies in me at one time. My small frame. See, some women have a big body frame. I have a small body frame. The way my hips is and stuff. So, if 2 babies in my stomach at one time, they're not gonna have a lot of room. They're gonna be constricted. So, I can't carry like 2 big. I can't. My uterus, my pelvis not gonna let me because I'm so little. And then some pregnancy, my pelvic be twisted. So, now I want to throw it up. Yeah, the twins was born early. I'm just gonna start eating slower. I'm talking the average female, but I'm talking about my frame. Excuse me. I'm talking about my frame. I can't wait till my husband get done so we can watch that movie. Now time for the snacks. I gotta have dessert. Time for the snacks. What is gonna eat for snacks? Some pretzels and some brownies. That's what I'm gonna eat. Well, you can't eat. I couldn't eat when I was pregnant with the twins. I could not eat nothing. I couldn't eat nothing. It was the most horrible experience being pregnant with the twins in the first 2 trimesters. Oh my goodness, it was horrible. I could not keep nothing down. That was like the most I ever threw up in a pregnancy. And now when you're throwing up and you don't have nothing left and you still start throwing up, that hurts so bad. I feel like you have to throw up your whole stomach. So yeah. That's how I feel like I know I'm probably not pregnant with twins because I'd be sick like a dog right now if I was pregnant with twins, and I'm a month pregnant, almost a month. So ligament pains. You only have round ligament pains if your stomach is, if your uterus is stretched. Even though it's really, the baby is really small, the sac and your hormones, all of that stuff, they play into it too. And I'm supposed to be on my cycle too right now. So that's another thing. Y'all know I've been on my cycle because I be like, you won't see me, and if you see me, I be linked over and I get on here and I be like, I gotta get some medicine. You can see me with a heating pad every time. Every time I be laying down somewhere. So I don't know why people do that. They say they do this because it's ego, but that's fine. You're still going to be judged for what you do, regardless. You can repent and do that by working on yourself to be better, but thank you guys for the gifts. I think my phone about to go dead too. Right. People mad because the state removed my kids and I'm seeing relief. But they the ones that called them. Like, what? And they're the one that's ranting about how much of a horrible mom I am. So why should they care? They should be relieved. But yet they're hating because they wanted me to be upset. And I'm not upset. I'm just moving forward to do better with my life. Being an Israelite woman. That's the only thing I'm worried about. So everything else is gonna fall in line. I think it is. I think that it is. You may be miserable. Misery love company. So, no, we just want you to do better to get them back. Well, you feel like I'm not doing better. You should love that they're not here. It's like, pick a side. Pick a side. The more you watch me, the more I stay relevant. Just so you know that. The more you share my face across social media, the more I stay relevant. People with my own ego may not care that I'm going to get my GED. But when I get my GED and y'all share it across the internet, other people's would. So, keep sharing me. I want them to see this part. But I'm gonna have to watch a movie and eat some snacks, you guys. Because I'm still hungry. I'll come back later. Shalom.